So yeah guys, that is the new Dragon setup. Gotta turn that side a little bit more to the outside, and then you got the big light bar in the middle. Why, you say? One of the best parts of the tail of the Dragon is the night, and if you like going fast and stuff, the night runs are one of the more fun parts and more thrilling parts. I love them, and last year I had a good time in it. The only bad part is the visibility. So with this setup, I'm gonna put both my lights back on, which they're pretty good. I'm gonna have this light bar shooting down the middle, plus these illuminating when I'm turning, and it should be a plus, especially in that amount of darkness, which is pretty bad. And it should make it a lot safer for people to see me coming, and for me when I'm turning, in case there's a down motorist, somebody in a motorcycle that went down. There's a lot of things that could happen up there in Tennessee, in the mountains, which you gotta be ready for. And I think that's gonna help a lot. And it looks kind of cool, I'm not gonna lie. I did the wiring. I have a switch in there because if there's people coming directly at me, I don't want to blind them. So I just turn the switch on and off. And it looks like a pretty nice setup. I'm proud of it. I did it all by myself with thanks to Gio's teachings. It's not obstructing nothing major in the radiator fan, so I'm happy there. Should be fun. Next project will be probably power steering finally. And I'm also gonna be putting, let me know if you guys think it's cool, S2000 cluster. That's the switch for the lights. So S2000 cluster, power steering, lights. I gotta purchase the tires, new tires, because these tires are pretty old. Let me see, they're from 2017, so they're pretty old, cycled out. They're like chalk. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it for this video. It was just a quick video to show you guys what I've been up to. It's my day off, so I'm taking advantage of it. Like a glove. So yeah guys, let me think, what do you think about the cluster and the lights, if you like it or not? Ooh, can't wait.